This is so cool, and it's about time. Wing, the drone delivery company that started its life within the Google X lab before spitting out into its own thing under the Alphabet umbrella, is prepping for takeoff. The company announced recently that it's launching a test program in Virginia with Walgreens, FedEx, and some other local retailers. As part of the program, Wing will be able to deliver kids' snacks like goldfish, water, gummy bears, and yogurt, and over-the-counter meds like Tylenol or cough drops from Walgreens, select packages from FedEx Express, and sweets and stationery from Sugar Magnolia. That's a local shop. But unless you're one of the roughly 22,000 people in Christiansburg and happen to be in a neighborhood they've deemed eligible, well, you're not going to be able to check it out just yet. Wing says the pilot program is limited to the small Montgomery County town for now, as they work with locals to figure out what works and what doesn't. The company declined to give any sort of timeline for when the program might expand to other parts of the U.S. So how is it going to work? When the customer places an order, one of Wing's delivery drones heads for a pickup location. As Wing's drones are only allowed to take off or land in specific locations, pickups and deliveries are handled via a tether, with the drone itself hovering about 20 feet in the air. Once at the pickup location, a tether is lowered and a human operator hooks the package onto the line. The drone then winches the package into the air, secures it, and heads for its destination. Once in flight, Wing says its drones cruise at about 60 to 70 miles per hour, with a range of about 6 miles each way. Once the drone arrives at the delivery location, the same tether line lowers the package. When the drone detects that the package has reached the ground, the package is released automatically, and the drone heads back home. All in all, Wing estimates that they can make a delivery within about 10 minutes of a customer finalizing their order. And if the tether gets stuck on something or someone tries to grab it and tug it down, the drone is designed to detect the resistance and release the tether, dropping the line to the ground. Wing says its drone can currently handle a payload of about 3 pounds, with the drone itself weighing roughly 10 pounds. Wing isn't going to charge pilot program customers for delivery either. Customers will pay the store's sticker price, and delivery during this test phase will simply be free. Wing says the first delivery should start sometime next month. When are 2 propellers better than 4? When they give you extra battery life, greater portability, and reduced noise. That claim comes from 00 Robotics. That's the pitch for the company's V-Copter Falcon. It's a bicopter drone with an impressive flight time of, get this, 50 minutes. 20 minutes more than the comparable DJI Mavic 2. Now, for years, 4 propellers have been standard for consumer drones, offering greater power and stability, but 00 says its tilt rotor design, which lets each propeller swivel independently, allows the Falcon to match 4 prop rivals. Tilting the propellers improves the drone's aerodynamic profile, says the company, reducing drag. Add to this the reduced battery drain from running fewer propellers, and the drone's compact form when the 2 arms are folded, and you have a pretty convincing sales pitch. In addition to its bicopter design, the Falcon looks kitted out for aerial photography and videos. There's a 12-megapixel main camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, along with a Sony CMOS and Qualcomm ISP, capable of capturing 4K video at 30 frames a second. There's also a pair of stereo cameras on the main body that enable visual tracking and obstacle avoidance, similar to features offered on the company's Hover 2 selfie drone, which some Kickstarter backers are still waiting to receive. 00 is also promising easy filming on the Falcon with pre-programmed flight paths for cinematic shots. We've seen video of the Falcon flying, but want to try it for ourselves to test its battery life and flightability. Overall, though, it's an interesting package. The V-Copter Falcon is available to pre-order for its retail price of $9.99, with shipping starting sometime of February this year. And finally, happening in this week's What the, Dallas residents experienced one of the most elaborate rickrolls of all time on April Fools. Sky Elements drone shows created a QR code drone display that flew over the downtown Dallas night sky on April 1st. When those in the area scanned the illuminated code with their phone, it would bring them to the infamous music video for Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley. Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we need to feature on the program, get in touch with me. Send me an email at djraymcneil@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook at Your Weekly Tech Update, and check out the podcast. Audio and video versions available on iTunes, Google, Spotify, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. Till next time, I'm Ray McNeil. Stay safe and stay healthy, everyone. And now, here's your moment of joy. Your weekly tech update brought to you by Holiday Home Care, Phillip Island, Victoria, Australia. It's your turn to relax. Before you get on holiday on the island, contact Holiday Home Care. We can set up your residence or holiday rental, do the shopping for you, provide linen and towels, and make sure it's all ready by the time you get here, giving you more time to enjoy what Phillip Island has to offer. For more information, visit holidayhomecarepi.com or email holidayhomecarepi@gmail.com.